Today I have this broken power bank case without battery. I bought it from a junkyard and they took 80 cents for this. Now I think that was not a good deal for me because the case is badly broken. Here is one, two, and this piece completely separate from the body. I just keep it here with a piece of tape. So my plan is, of course, I will install 3 18650 battery in here, but before that I will repair these broken pieces. For that reason, I have to remove this board from the body. This is actually a cable for Apple devices and I don't have any Apple device, so I don't need this actually. Nothing for me, just for decoration. Okay, this part is okay. So now I'm trying to repair this. At first I'm going to put some super glue so the broken piece will stay in its place. So now we don't need masking tape. This is model number BSP10011. Now we will put this stapler pin like that and give them heat with my soldering iron so it can hold this broken piece together. Look what I do. At first I make some M-shaped thing with stapler pins, then I put them in correct place, then using my soldering iron put them inside the plastic. But one problem happened in here. In this pin I take too much time, so you see the problem, but it doesn't matter. Let's see if I can remove this spot with this thing. No, it's getting coarse, so no grinding. After finishing this thing, I will try something else. Then this part is fixed. Now this one, stapler pin, bend them in a shape, put them in place, give them some heat. I have to put another pin in here because this place look like weak. Now it's better. Now I will use some super glue for this crack. Then I will use some here. So if any crack is still available, they will fill up with our super glue. And our stapler pin will also covered with super glue, so they will not be corroded. So we just try it for 5 minutes so our super glue will dry, then we will go on next step. Now I'm going to cover these things with masking tape because if anytime the pin will come out, they can cause a short circuit, maybe some fire too. I need another blob of super glue. Okay, inside stapler pin, super glue, masking tape, everything is okay. It is almost ready for assembling. So finally it looks like this. Not so good because of my careless operation, but it is workable. Now we will install the battery pack. The circuit will be here. Like, here's our screw. This battery pack I will use here. Soldering time. This soldering previous cable, install new one. Positive solder now. Okay, connect our battery, and this is push button for checking battery percentage. It says 95% charge remaining in this battery. But the main problem is, you see, it can deliver voltage 5.15 in this port, 5.17 in this port, but it cannot receive voltage. It cannot charge this battery. You see, it's draw 0 amps, nothing. So I clean this board, check if any component is loose, but everything is okay, and still it's not working. So I can say my today's project is failed. Sometimes it happens because when I bought this type of cheap and faulty devices, no one can say what happened. Sometime I found 100% working, sometime like this broken and faulty, loss of money, loss of time. But this is the rules of life. Ups and downs, success and failure stay together. Life sometimes makes us happy, sometimes sad. Sometimes we don't know what will be happen next. But we have to go ahead and see the future. Thank you for your time.